Hey YouTube, KMM's here. I'm working now on a 2007 Chrysler Aspen because it's part of our arsenal of vehicles. This has suddenly gotten a P0456, I think it was. It's an EVAP leak, very small. When I've run into this before, it's almost always been the canister purge valve. The guys in the parts store will tell you to look for a leak. I don't have time to sit there and trace every line to going back to the charcoal canister in this thing, so I will just simply replace the thing. What's funny about the Chrysler, and I guess the reason I'm even doing this video, is that they've hidden it. It's not in the normal spot. Dodge puts it like right here or right on the outside of the battery over there. Chrysler is like, oh, where are we going to stick it that you know, nobody will be able to find it ever. Believe it or not, it's on the firewall, hidden back there. That's it. So, you know, next to the brake booster. I don't know why they had to be different, but you know, whatever. Fancy Chrysler, that's what they did. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop this sucker out. It's not a great place to record. I will try to get something under there, but I don't know that you'll even be able to see anything. It's pretty dark. I know I'm not going to be able to see anything because well, my hands have to get in there and then they're going to be blocking my vision. Right, so what you're looking at here is, or I think is, the thing in a position where it's supposed to release. I think if you lift that blue tab up, it's supposed to be able to come out. This thing's been in here for many, many years and doesn't seem to want to come out at all. I was just trying to get a better look at it. Would you look at it? Oh, jeez. I don't want to break this stupid thing because then I have to buy another one, but what the heck? How does this thing come out? It's enough to make one crazy. Okay, so I've got it a little bit further apart now. Mostly it was so that way I could get a better angle on the crazy purge valve there, because I'm unable to get that stupid thing on the bottom off. I've tried lifting that tab that's on there all the way up and pushing it all the way down, and it doesn't seem to help. I'm like, what the heck? I think I'm supposed to squeeze in from the sides. I tried that. It's not helping. Maybe there's a special tool for it or something like that. Just bring it closer to the thing so you can kind of see it. Yeah, now you can see the blue thing. I think you're supposed to squeeze it in from the sides or lift it up or something like that. But yeah, so far it's eluded me. So I'll keep playing with it. And when I figure out how it comes off, I'll let you know, because this is different. I looked down all the videos I could find on YouTube. Nobody seems to have a 2007 Chrysler Aspen, and it's different from the Durango. Anywho, gotta find me some of that cleaner, because this thing looks nasty. Okay, now we're looking at this again, specifically because it's different. The connector I pulled off, you could probably see it. It's the sort of white one on the left. It's got a little push-in doohickey. I will try to go and grab it if I can. Try to dig it under so you can kind of see what I'm pointing at here. See, on the side there's a little area that you can push in, and that allows it to disconnect. On the Durango, the other one is just simply a push-on, but on this it's something different. You can kind of make it out back there. You see it on the bottom there? It's a different kind of connector. I want to make sure I don't break this thing, you know, so I'm looking at it. It doesn't look all that great to start with. Like, it kind of looks like it got something wrong with it. I don't know. Maybe not. Maybe it's just ugly. But in any event, I got to figure out how that comes off. When I do, I will make sure to come back and let you guys know. Okay, now I've gotten the thing off, and you can now see the lovely connector that was on there. It apparently is supposed to be like pushed in, and that's supposed to let it go by, but try that as I might, it wasn't working. So I think it's just, I don't know, funky. But I think I'll be able to fix this now. I just have to take it off here, pop it on the other one, and I don't know, we should be good to go at that point. and then I just have to clean that throttle body because it's so dirty. It's almost sinful. So okay, so installation should be the reverse of removal. I just need to pop this thing. I put the little blue doohickey on the new thing, and I moved my light, which is not helping anybody. How am I going to situate this light so it doesn't... Maybe there, hopefully. Come on, baby. I just got to get it to push in, and then that blue thing will drop in. I don't know if the blue thing's stopping me. I think it's just sort of along for the ride now. I might be jostling you, but I got to get this thing on, so. Come on, baby, get in there. I think it might be in. I can't really tell just yet. Alright, let's see what it looks like. Nah, I don't think that looks too good. I'm gonna get a screwdriver and push that blue thing down, though. Where did I put my screwdriver? There it is. There's a little one. I want a little one. No, I want a big one. No, it doesn't want to go in yet. Alright, I think I have to push it down some more first. Okay, now I think it's in. Cool. Alright, now we just have the power connector. Maybe I should put the other, what's that thing called? The other hose on first. Yeah, this one is the one that you got to push in the side, right here, for it to pop off. I think going on, it'll just slide on. There we go, it clipped in. We're winning. Sorry if I've been throwing you around, I don't mean to. There we go. And now all I gotta do is get it back on its little hook thing. It'd be really nice if this little plastic thing wasn't here, because it's like just full on in the way. I guess it makes it look pretty or something. Like, I have no idea what purpose that serves over here, other than to get in my way. Okay, hopefully any of this video is any good. I'm not really sure, to be honest. With the light where it is, it might be screwing everything up. It's up here, right? Where's the little clip? Yep, there we go. And she's in. Look at that, I unclipped one of the clips for the fuel rail. That's not good. Alright, so that should be a job well done, hopefully. I just can't leave this looking like it does. Alright, that's not much better. Hey, so I just realized that I never did an outro for this one. It does turn out the P0456 has not come back on again. I took the car out for a long cruise. I got gas in it, filled it up, and then I drove it all the way home. So all in all, over 25 miles. Never did I get any check engine light on there. So that was it. And in my experience, that thing does go sour. And you know, they're pretty cheap to fix. I mean, I think it was like 35 bucks or something like that from my local dealership. So that said, I hope everybody who sees this, if they do, can do the same thing and have the same luck I did, because it works out great as soon as you can find this stupid thing. It took me a little while. Anyway, I hope everybody has a great day or evening, and see you all soon.